Hello, today I'm going to be unboxing a hanging planter for hanging in your patio or on a post. I received this for free from the company, and I'm going to show you how to install it and assemble it, show you the quality of the product. So this is the box, how it came in the mail, and this one was for 13.5 inches. They have other sizes like 12 inches and 10 inches, but this one is for 13.5, set of 4, this one. And this is one, so it's all packaged nicely like that. And then you unfold it. It's very windy today. There we go. This is made of coconut thing, so it's natural, very nice. Okay, so that's one, like that. So one, it's not hard, you just need to adjust it. It's not hard to adjust. It's pretty easy, really. It's flexible, like that. So that's one. And then two, same thing, which I'm not gonna open. So that's two. Three, same. And four. So this is how it's supposed to look when it's all nicely shaped. You have to shape it. So that's what it is. Like a bowl, a big bowl. It's made of a natural palm fibers. So the benefit of this one is when you put the soil here and then the plants and then you water it, it will filter all of the soil and only the water will pretty much go down. So it saves your soil. So that's how it is. Quality of it is pretty good. It's made of natural coconut fiber or palm fiber. So that's that. We have 4 of them. So this is a set of 4. So, and then we have 4 of the metal basket hanger for hanging. Actually very nice quality. It's made of metal. We have 4 of this. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 4 of the same thing. And we have here the chain, the hanging chain. There should be 4 of them here. This is a really nice quality too. Feels very sturdy. And the coating of this thing, if you will look at it, is high quality. There you go. So we should have 4 of them here. This is one. And also at the end of each of the thing is this, like a clip of some sort right here. And then this is the other end. And 3 different chains right here. And it ends here. And quality wise is very nice quality. It feels really sturdy and properly coated. So that's that. So we have 1 and then 2 here. So that's 2, 3 here, and 4 there. So we have 4 of them total. Very nice quality. The chains are all made of metal. The hooks are big enough to put on a tree branch right here. And then it has a hook below like that. So that's that for the chain and the hook. And then the basket here. We have some patterns, very nice pattern here. Right there. So that's the basket. Very pretty. They have different sizes. This is the big one. The biggest one, I think. And then all you have to do is put it like that. And there we go. So nice. Very, very good quality. And then you just hook the chain here. Right here. There's this round thing here. See that? Right there. Just put it here. Like so. Okay, so far I have one chain here. And then I'm going to hook up the other chain right here. So there's a specific hole for that right here. So that's where I'm gonna put it. Push it like that and there. Very easy. So this will not slide all over. So I like that there is a hole here. So the chain will not go sliding all over. That's nice. It just stay in here in one place. So I have two so far. One and two. And then third one. Like so. Gotta make sure that they are not tangled all over. So you have to adjust it so it's not tangled all over. And put the third chain here. So where the hole is, you just push it. Give it a little push here, like that. And then put it in here. So this circle here will keep the hook in one place instead of sliding all over the place. So that is a really nice feature right there. So it locks in. It doesn't go out of balance. So there you go. That's cute. There we go. So there's that. The chain. And there. Very nice. And then I'll put this one here. Then you put your dirt here. And then your plants. Then when you water it, all the dirt will stay in the planter and the water is the only one that drains out. So much better than all the tiny little holes, so some of the holes will actually still drain or wash away the soil. But with this, it will just filter in the soil. It will keep the soil and only the water will drain. So there you go. Very nice. So I'm gonna try to put some dirt in here and show you with the water how well they drain. There you go. So that's that. I like this pattern too. Very nice pattern. If you're interested to check out this planter, I will provide a link in the description below. I have here a planter, a hanging planter that I'm going to put some dirt. I'm going to fill with dirt so I can plant the flowers on it. This has coconut fiber as a drainage right here. So I'm gonna fill it with dirt. What I like about this hanging planter is this is big enough. This is the side of our swing here. So temporarily I can put it here like that. And then it will also work with a branch. So we have here a branch. I could also put this one here. But right here, I have to move the wind chime. It's a branch. I have to remove this one temporarily. And right here is a branch. I can put it like that. There. And here we go. But that works really well right there. So that's an option right here, like that. If you do not have any branches, you can also use like a post, like this one here, with that. Just put it like that, and there you go. It's hanging. There you go. So it's very versatile where you can put it. This is wide enough for hanging on different things. Okay, I'm also trying this one out with the other hanging pole here. This is a shorter one compared to this one here. So we have a shorter one and it works just fine with the dirt on it. Now I'm going to try to pour some water in here to check how well it will drain the water without washing away all the dirt, which is the main reason for this fiber here. The coconut fiber is to keep the soil and drain the water. So let's see how well it works. If you're interested to check out this planter, I will provide a link in the description below. Okay, so I have here some water and I'm gonna try to water it and we'll see how well it drains. Let's see, water it, and there we go. So no dirt, just water coming out. There. There you go. So pretty good. Yeah. That's a good drainage without washing away all the dirt. That's very good. Very good drainage there. Very good drainage. So there you go. Tested and it works. No soil lost, just water draining below. Even if you overwater, it's gonna drain well. Right here. So there, and it will keep your soil moist. So there you go. Thank you so much for watching.
Thank you for being here at Gardener's Land. Do not forget to subscribe or follow me. Check out what to watch next and be sure to click here to subscribe.